Hi all, my name is Emmanuel. I'm a front-end developer courtesy of IT Skill Center. As you already know, IT Skill Center is a tech hub where you get to learn the fundamentals of programming. You also get to learn how you can scale from the fundamental to designing and building real-world apps. From the onset, we were exposed to different concepts. We started with the basics of programming and delved into pair programming, and before 3 months, 4 months, you can reliably say that you have mastered the concepts, the skills of programming. You can now be able to work on your own and even apply to local and foreign jobs. In my own case, I started in November, December, January, and I got to work in February, so that's around 34 months. So that goes to show that IT Skill Center delivered as promised. You know what? There's a good news for you guys. IT Skill Center is rolling out a wonderful package where you can learn online and be assessed and graded online. You learn at your own pace. You know why this is very important? Because it affords everybody the opportunity to get into tech, so you don't have to complain of your 9-to-5 job, because now you are learning at your own pace. You don't have to complain that you don't have much time, because now you are the boss of your time. So what are you waiting for? Do you want to be a tech bro, as they say, be a tech bro, a Texas? Your work will not allow you the opportunity to be camped offline, on site for 6 months. Then you should try out this online program. It's what you. So people, what are you waiting for? The time is now. You just have to start now. So click the link below and let's see you online. You don't have to wait.